I'm sure that you have this dream version of you that exists in your head, but not in real life, and you just don't know how to make that a reality. And you think that I probably never will because it's such a big dream, right? So, I have a plan for you to make that a reality. So, this theory or this study is called quantum physics, and what you're going to do in order to achieve that dream is a quantum leap. So it means basically a drastic leap from what your life looks like now to what you want your life to look like, or what you want your life to be. To simplify it, I guess I will draw a little bit here to show you guys. I have my iPad. So let's just say this is you, right? And you live in the 3-dimensional world, and quantum physics exists not in 3D, not in 4D, but in 5D. And in 5D you have, let's just say, happy version of you, there's a sad version of you, there's one that has money, and there's one that doesn't have money. Okay, so there's, simply put, there's every version of you exists in the 5-dimensional world. And what your 4D is, we'll just say it's like your subconscious, whatever, subconscious mind. Sorry about my handwriting. So basically the 3-dimensional version of you exists, and that's because you taught your subconscious through your actions what kind of version of you exists. And the way you're going to change that version of you, so let's just give an example. Like for me, like there's a version of me that exists that might be a YouTuber, right? I spelled YouTube. And I want to connect with that version of myself. Like right now, I'm not a YouTuber. Well, I am a YouTuber, but this is an example, right? So just a few weeks ago, I wasn't a YouTuber. So I decided that I want to become a YouTuber. And how did I become a YouTuber? I'm a YouTuber now, right? Even though I have 36 followers, whatever, I am a YouTuber. I did make this into my reality. So the way I did that is by connecting with the frequency of being a YouTuber. What is it about being a YouTuber that I want so bad? You know, for me, it is maybe the idea that I'm sharing my knowledge with someone and that I'm being valued. Maybe that's things that I associate with being a YouTuber, and maybe being seen. And that's part of being a YouTuber, is being seen. Maybe a part of me wants to feel more seen and heard by sharing what I have to offer. Those are things that I connect in a way. So how do I become that? So maybe in my reality before becoming a YouTuber, maybe I didn't feel seen. Maybe I didn't feel like I had something to offer. So the way I became a YouTuber is by shifting my mindset to connect with whatever those feelings are of a YouTuber. So I started feeling seen. I started feeling, that I had a message to share. And as much as I connected with that, I started connecting the dots here in a way. So the more I connected with this, my subconscious began feeling like, okay, she actually is being seen, she's being heard. So I'm becoming closer and closer to that version of my reality as I connect with those feelings. So that's a really rough looking picture of it. So this is another example. So one of my friends, she works a 9 to 5, and she has just like a 9 to 5 life, and she goes home, she's with her family, and let's just say her dream life is that she's a model, right? And she doesn't feel inspired to go become a model because it feels like it's so far away and so hard to do. And the way she connected with herself being a model was that she wants to feel confident. And she might already feel confident in her life, but that means there's more to it than just confidence, that she needs to go further and dig deeper to what it is about being a model she really desires. And when she broke it down, she felt the vision of her bringing other creators of like fashion and things, bringing those visions to life for another person. She just felt inspired by that, and she feels like that's what draws her to wanting to become a model. And so now that she has that feeling like, okay, I want to help other people bring their visions to life, she can slowly create a portfolio. Maybe she starts with smaller artists, whatever it is, or smaller designers. She will one day become, well, once she starts doing that, she will be connected to that version of her that is a model, first of all. So that's basically like a simplified version of it. And that's just like any other reality that you want to exist in, or you would like your life to change to turn into. That's like the way that you do it. So basically it's like a way to surpass the subconscious mind and actually rewire your subconscious, because your conscious and your subconscious is so different. Your conscious is like what you're thinking, what you're saying. Your subconscious lives in the back of your head, and it's just based on what the things that you do and the things that you believe every day is what goes into your subconscious mind. So yeah, there's just a lot of power in your subconscious mind. And if you don't know how to tap into that or how to tap into this, I hope that this visualization and little tutorial helped, because I just love this, and I love helping people tap into their full potential and just become that version of them that they thought could never exist, you know? Because I'm here living my YouTube dreams, literally existing. I'm a YouTuber now. Even though I might have less than 50 subscribers, I'm a YouTuber now. So I just simply have to just share this with you guys and help you hopefully reach that dream of yours and make that vision a reality. And if you guys have any questions or any other thoughts about this, please comment below and share those thoughts. And like, I love talking about this, so please like connect with me and share this with anyone else that you think has the potential to reach their dreams and become the best version of themselves and their like dream version of themselves. So yeah, by the way, I hope that made sense, and if any of that didn't make sense, please comment below and I'm happy to clarify and help out anyone that I can, however I can. So thank you once again for watching, and yeah, comment below what other things you guys want to talk about in regards to all of this, because this is my topic. I love this topic. Okay, thank you.